Hi, this is José Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Today I'm going to show you a fantastic apartment in the historical center of Valencia, in Jordana Street, in Ciutat Vella neighborhood. And well, in this neighborhood you have all the monuments, the theaters, cinemas, the best shopping areas of Valencia. And you have also a lot of restaurants and pubs, and well, it's a great place to live here. And well, this apartment is well connected with the rest of the city by bus. And well, in this apartment, it's a first floor without an elevator, has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Now I'm gonna show you. Oh, this is the stairs of the building and the entrance door. With a lamp, a mirror, and over here you have the living area and kitchen. And in this part we have the living with a 3-people sofa with chairs long, a coffee table, 2 armchairs, a flat TV, a lamp. There you have a rack for dry your clothes, a clock, and this glass door to go outside the balcony where with street views. So in this part of this area you have a table with 5 chairs, air conditioning, and 3 doors, bedroom 1 and 2. And here is the kitchen. Where you have a dishwasher, a sink, storage. There you have pots and some pans, a sink, a mirror, microwaves, washing machine, coffee machine, electrical stove, oven, some cupboards with plates, glasses, cups, etc. And a smoke extractor and a fridge with freezer. And here is the bathroom. Where you have a sink, 2 drawers under the sink, a mirror, a toilet, and a shower. Okay, next to the bathroom you have the bedroom number 1. Where you have a double bed, a bedside table with a lamp, a wardrobe, a fan, and a window with exterior views. Okay, so the next door is the bedroom number 2. Where you have a double bed, a bedside table with a lamp, a chair, a flat TV, a wardrobe, a fan, and a window with exterior views. And well, that was all. I hope you enjoyed. It was José Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adiós.